Good afternoon. I am Jung, a member of the National Assembly representing 고령군, 성주군, 칠곡군 in Gyeongsangnam-do and the Secretary of the People Power Party on the National Assembly's Agriculture, Food, Rural Affairs, Oceans and Fisheries Committee. I would like to extend my heartfelt congratulations on the 14th Foodpolis International Conference. My deepest gratitude goes to Minister Song Mi-ryong of the MAFRA, Governor Kim Kwan-young of Jeollabuk-do, Mayor Jung Hyun-yul of Iksan-si, and Chairman Kim Deok-ho of Foodpolis for organizing this very meaningful event. In a rapidly changing environment, the only way to survival is through innovation. I hope that today's conference, held under the theme Exploring Innovation in the Food Industry and the Sustainable Future of Food, will serve as a platform for extensive discussions about the food industry and provide valuable insights to lead the future of the food sector. I wish health and happiness to all participants joining us today. Thank you.